The following video shows how to use olive oil to treat a buildup of earwax. You can purchase the olive oil as drops or spray from your local pharmacy. The spray may be easier to use. Do not use cotton wool buds. There is a risk this can push wax further down the ear and make the problem worse. Laying on your side, pull the ear back to open the ear canal and straighten it. You may need to ask someone to assist. Put 3 drops or sprays of olive oil in your ear canal and gently massage the front of the ear. Stay with your head in this position for 5 minutes, then treat the other ear if required. Remember, you do not need to warm the olive oil before use, and do not use cotton wool to block the ear afterwards. This will only help to absorb the olive oil and limit how effective the treatment is. Repeat this once a day for 7 days. If your symptoms have not improved or you're experiencing pain, seek advice from your GP practice. For more information about the management of earwax and when olive oil use is not advisable, please visit the website link below.